Well, here's another little update for the Ford Cargo. As you can see, I've taken the near side wing off, and it's pretty bad. Pretty hard where the step goes. Bodged filler attempt there. Nice little hole there. And there's this bit that's concerning though. Filler. Another bits of crap that's in there. But I'm just going to strip it right back to bare, and then probably put a new bit of metalwork in there, because they've filled it here. But there's all sorts going on in there, so I might just take it out and make some new ones. But apart from the edges, the centre bit's pretty good. That's the worst offending bit down there. But as I say, it's not too bad. I've seen worse. But it's amazing what you find when you start rubbing stuff down and paint stripping, and it's amazing. But it's got to be done. It's either that or I put some fiberglass ones on it. But we'll see. I'll give this a go first, only because I've got all the stuff to do it. So we shall see. But hopefully it'll come out alright and I can refit it. There's a little bit more patching to do on the floor, and I can swap over to the driver's side and hopefully get it back together. Short video, but I thought I'd upload it anyway because it's something to do with the truck. Thank you.